In Mario 64, Peach has disappeared. Because of this, it feels as if disappearance is perhaps a theme. A way this may express itself is via the image of the ghost. A ghost is someone who has disappeared, a dead person, therefore someone who is hardly here. Peach disappearing is perhaps to be equated in this game with the idea of a ghost who is not fully here. If that is the case, then Peach could be seen as a dead person, and this opens the possibility that our communication with her is something that is happening from the past or beyond the veil. There is a theme, in fact, of communication in this game, I think. For instance, the maze in Hazy Maze Cave is shown to be mapped, so we have a map. A map is a pictorial representation of something. It represents or conveys information. There are blue dots, red dots, an arrow. If we understand these images, we can read the map. The map requires reading. In the same way, Shifting Sandland shows us hieroglyphs, so these are also images that, when read correctly, could convey information. We have images, an eagle, a feather, for example, an eye, and these mean things, so images here mean things. We can communicate via them. So a map and hieroglyphs are things that have meaning. Peach is communicating to us via a letter, but also the castle is filled with images, and these could be seen maybe as hieroglyphs or maps. They have images that represent other things, in the same way that a map or a hieroglyph may point to a different reality via its words, its symbols. A hieroglyph, which is a bird, could represent something. The bird itself could represent a meaning, so a word is here being in the form of an image. An image can speak, and Peach can speak, if she is within the walls of the castle, dead beyond the grave, infusing all the images with syntactic force, meaning as if all the paintings were words in one great sentence, a three-dimensional Peach's letter being sent to Mario, who reads it by exploring it and deciphers it by reading it, by jumping up its ledges and seeing its birds, its eyes, its meaning on the dots of a map, meanings that change with each visualization.